art collective from St. Bonaventure School.
Today we are going to be teaching you how to draw a distorted self-portrait.
For this workshop, you will need
A3 white paper,
A pencil, oil pastels.
Step 1. Using your pencil, draw 3 random lines onto your paper. Draw the line freehand. It's best when curved and squiggly.
Step 2. Draw your facial features onto the paper. Randomly plot them around the line.
Your facial features include your eyes, nose, mouth, ears, and hair.
Make these facial features any size and shape you want. The stranger, the better. Step 3. Now you have the outline of your face. Using the oil pastels, color in your portrait. Make it bright and colorful.
Start with the lightest colors first and work your way up to the darkest.
You can blend the colors together.
apply different pressure when drawing to get different textures.
If you make a mistake, it's okay, because the drawing is abstract. Embrace the mistakes.
You should now have an abstract portrait of yourself.
Make sure to show it off and share with your friends. Thanks for watching our workshop.
See you next time!